Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. If you missed part 1, make sure to check it out. Now, let's finish off this champorado with Tuyo recipe and bring all the flavors together. Step-by-step instructions. Rinse the rice. Wash the glutinous rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and prevents clumping. Cook the rice in a pot, boil water. Add the rice and lower the heat to a simmer. Stir occasionally to keep it from sticking to the bottom. Melt the chocolate. If using tabli, dissolve it in a small amount of hot water first, then add to the pot. For cocoa powder, mix it directly into the simmering rice. Stir well to avoid lumps. Simmer until thick. Let the mixture cook on low heat. The rice should soften completely, and the porridge will thicken. Add more water if you prefer a looser texture. Sweeten and finish. Once the champorado reaches your desired consistency, stir in the sugar, salt, and milk. Taste and adjust as needed. Serve hot. Champorado is best enjoyed fresh, topped with more evaporated milk or a splash of coconut cream. Ingredient variations. Chocolate choice. Tabli offers a bold, slightly bitter chocolate flavor. Cocoa powder is quicker but may need extra sugar. Milk options. Evaporated milk is creamy and light. Coconut milk adds a tropical richness that pairs well with the chocolate. Sweeteners. Brown sugar gives a caramel-like depth, while white sugar keeps the flavor clean. Pro tip. Leftover champorado thickens as it cools. Reheat it with a splash of water or milk to bring it back to life. Now that you've got the champorado ready, all it needs is a side of crispy tuyo to complete the experience. The contrast of sweet and salty is what makes this dish unforgettable. Preparing tuyo for the perfect champorado pairing. Tuyo is the star of the show when paired with champorado, but only if it's cooked right. Too soft, and it loses its crunch. Too salty, and it overpowers the chocolate. The goal is crispy, golden fillets with just enough salt to balance the sweetness of the champorado. Here's how to nail it every time. Choosing the right tuyo. Not all tuyo is created equal. Look for these qualities when buying. Whole, firm fillets. Avoid broken pieces, as they dry out unevenly. Bright color. Yellowish or overly dark fish may be old or oversalted. Minimal odor. Tuyo should smell briny but not overwhelmingly fishy. If your tuyo tastes too salty, soak it in water before cooking. This mellows the saltiness without losing flavor. Frying tuyo to crispy perfection. A well-fried tuyo should crackle when you bite into it, with a delicate crunch that doesn't feel tough. Follow these steps. Pat dry. Moisture makes oil splatter. Lightly dab the fish with a paper towel. Use medium heat. High heat burns the outside before the inside crisps. Medium-low lets it cook evenly. Shallow fry. You don't need deep oil. A thin layer in a skillet works fine. Flip once. Let one side turn golden before flipping. Too much handling breaks the fish. Drain on paper towels. This removes excess oil and keeps it crispy. For extra crispiness, some cooks lightly dust tuyo with flour before frying. It adds a subtle crunch without changing the flavor. Serving tips. Pair immediately. Tuyo loses its crunch if left too long. Serve it hot beside the champorado. Break into pieces. Smaller bits make it easier to mix with each spoonful of porridge. Add a squeeze of calamansi. The citrus cuts through the richness, brightening every bite. Pro tip. If you're sensitive to salt, remove the skin before frying. It holds most of the saltiness. With perfectly fried tuyo, your champorado transforms from simple porridge to a meal that's satisfying, nostalgic, and impossible to resist. The contrast of textures and flavors is what makes this pairing a classic. Serving and enjoying champorado with tuyo. Champorado and tuyo isn't just a meal, it's an experience. The way you serve it can elevate the flavors, making each bite better than the last. Whether you stick to tradition or try a modern twist, here's how to get the most out of this classic pairing. Traditional ways to serve. Most Filipinos keep it simple, letting the champorado and tuyo shine on their own. But a few extra touches can make it even better. Drizzle condensed milk. A swirl of sweetened condensed milk adds creaminess and extra richness. It melts into the warm champorado, creating ribbons of sweetness. Add a splash of coconut cream. For a tropical twist, replace evaporated milk with thick coconut cream. It enhances the chocolate flavor with a subtle nuttiness. Serve with fresh fruit. Sliced bananas or ripe mangoes balance the saltiness of tuyo with natural sweetness. Eating it hot is key. Champorado thickens as it cools, so enjoy it right off the stove with crispy tuyo on the side. Modern twists and fusion ideas. If you're feeling adventurous, small changes can give this dish a fresh spin. Add crunch, sprinkle crushed peanuts or toasted coconut flakes for texture. Spice it up, a pinch of chili powder or cinnamon in the champorado adds warmth. Make it savory sweet, instead of tuyo. Try crispy bacon or salted eggs for a different salty contrast. Champorado toast. Spread leftover champorado on thick toast, top with grated tuyo, and broil for a quick open-faced sandwich. For a kid-friendly version, skip the tuyo and use chocolate shavings or marshmallows. It turns champorado into a dessert-style treat. No matter how you serve it, the magic lies in the balance. Creamy, sweet champorado and salty, crispy tuyo will always be a match made in Filipino food heaven. Champorado with tuyo isn't just about flavors, it's a taste of Filipino culture. The dish captures tradition, comfort, and clever balance in every bite. Sweet chocolate porridge meets salty dried fish, proving that opposites don't just attract. They create something unforgettable. Give it a try, whether you're revisiting childhood memories or discovering it for the first time. Play with toppings, adjust the sweetness, or pair it with something new. Then share how it turned out. After all, the best meals are the ones that spark stories. Ready to taste the magic? Your bowl of champorado and crispy tuyo is waiting. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.